Hey there, aspiring affiliate marketers and online entrepreneurs. Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to walk you through the process of creating an account on Clickbank, a platform that connects product vendors and affiliate marketers. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. All right, first off, might wanna go to the web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now, but it's okay if you're using other known type of browsers such as Safari, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Opera, and Brave. And go here at clickbank.com. And once you are in the Clickbank homepage, look for the sign up right here. Log in or sign up, start here, okay? And just wanna be you'll be directed to the sign up form here. You'll need to provide some basic information, right? And it's a little bit it takes a little time. So here you'll be asked to enter the name, your country, email, username, and password into the form fields, all right? And then at the very bottom, you need to read through Clickbank's terms and conditions, privacy policy, and other agreements presented during sign up. After reviewing, check the box to indicate your agreement, all right? And also, you might want to go here. This is a very helpful guide and support clickbank.com to create a Clickbank nickname account. All right, all you gotta do is click the accounts here, right? In the account dashboard, create account note, and once your account is created, you do not have to link it. This option is only for people who have, if you have, let's say, legacy accounts that are not linked to your primary Clickbank account. This is what you gonna do. All right, and after doing so, once you've verified your email, you will be directed to a confirmation page where you can create your Clickbank account. And again, you may be asked to provide more details about your business or payment preferences, right? So it'll help the Clickbank tailor its services to your needs. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.